Hello everyone, today we are going to interface the sensor ADT75 with Raspberry Pi using the Java code. Let's take a look at the sensor on controleverything.com. Search for ADT75. Now it is a temperature sensor with a 12-bit output and an accuracy of plus minus 1 degree Celsius. Now you can find the code in the resources section of controleverything.com, and here is the Java code. You can also check out our GitHub repository, which is the Control Everything community. Let's go inside github.com, and in the repository Control Everything community. Now you can search for the sensor ADT75. Well, it's in the front. Now for the Java implementation, you must remember that you need to install the PI4J library for Raspberry Pi. Now to install the PI4J library, the steps are given onto this link. After you've done that, you need to copy the code, and then to compile the code finally, you need to run this command in the terminal, and then to run the code, you have to give this command in the terminal. Now let's take a look at the Java code inside Java, and here is the code. Now as you can see, we have imported 3 PI4J libraries. Then from the device address 0x48, we have read 2 bytes of data directly from 00. Then we have converted the temperature according to the formula given in the datasheet, and then we have output the data onto the screen, and this is how we do that. And let's take a look at the hardware, and then we will interface the sensor with this code. This is the Raspberry Pi module, and these are the GPIOs over Raspberry Pi module. Now we use an I2C shield or an adapter, which is readily available on controleverything.com. We use this I2C shield to make the connections with other sensors easy. Now you gently push the GPIOs onto the I2C shield, and then we have this sensor. Let us take a look. It is ADT75. Now to connect this sensor, we have a connecting cable. Alright, let's make connections. Well, while making connections, please make sure that the brown cable of I2C, this is the brown cable, goes inside the ground of the sensor this way, and similarly in the I2C shield as well. And now to power up the Raspberry Pi, we have the micro USB cable. Now this is the micro USB cable. Let's power it up this way. To provide internet connection to Raspberry Pi, we may use a LAN cable this way, or we may also use a Wi-Fi module. Okay, for the implementation of the code, first of all copy the code and then move to terminal, where you need to create a file with .java extension. Now once you have done that, you can paste the code here, and then you need to save the code. Now to compile the code, you have to give the command like I've told you before, which is atd75.java, and your code has been successfully compiled. Now to run the code, you have to give this command, and as you can see the temperature in degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. Now if I place my finger onto the sensor, the temperature changes. Similarly, if I do that again, the temperature changes again. Alright, now that you know how to interface the sensor ADT75, let me tell you some of its applications. Well, the sensor can be used for environmental control systems, computer thermal monitoring, thermal protection systems, industrial process control, and power system monitors. Well, If you have any kinds of doubts, you can go into the contact us section of controleverything.com, or you can even leave your comments in the community portal of controleverything.com. And for more videos and blogs, you can check out our page on hackster.io and instructables.com. Please don't forget to subscribe us on YouTube, and thanks for watching.